Welcome to how to share app on WhatsApp. So in this video we are going to show you how to share app on WhatsApp. But before start of this video, I want you guys to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So right now you can see that I'm on iPhone, and to share the app on iPhone, what you're gonna have to do, you will basically tap and hold on iPhone. So let's suppose that if I wanted to share this app, I will just tap and hold, and then now here you can see that we have three different options here. So the second one is share app, so I will just simply tap on it, and then I will select WhatsApp from here, and then I can basically choose the contact to whom I want to share the app. But this will not share the actual app, this will basically share the link to the app. And if the person that I have shared the link with have iPhone, it will redirect him to the app store. Okay, and now to share the app on Android phone, what you're gonna do, you need to do the same. Okay, you will just press and hold on your app, and then you will see the share app option there as well. And when you will tap on this one, now on Android phone, the actual app will be shared as a document file in WhatsApp. And if you don't see this share option in your Android phone, what you're gonna have to do, you will open up the Play Store of your Android phone, and then you will search here, you will search there zip extractor. Okay, you need to basically download this software, which is zip and raw file extractor, and then from there you can basically share the app on WhatsApp. So that's it for this video, guys. If you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.